Alright, we're going to be cleaning a 2-bedroom apartment. We're not going to show the whole thing. I'll give you a little quick glance over here. There's a bedroom. It's got some junk in it, but it's not any big deal. And the carpets aren't too dirty. So this is going to be kind of a routine thing. We're going to have to pre-vacuum real quick first. Do a quick pre-vac on everything. We'll probably video the living room on that, and then we're going to clean it and show a video on that. And that's about all this video is going to be about. It shouldn't take too long. Anyway, stay tuned and we'll start the pre-vac. Alright, pre-vacuuming a 2-bedroom apartment. Alright, we vacuum every room. We're going to vacuum it first from one direction, say left and right, and then, or basically east and west, and then we're going to go from the other direction, north and south. So we're hitting the carpet from more than one angle, and we're going to overlap the passes a little bit, just to make sure we get full coverage. And this carpet was just vacuumed before we got here by a housekeeper, so. Also off camera, we're going to use the wand on the machine, and we're going to do all the edges, so all the edges get vacuumed too. One of the reasons we like to use a a bagless vacuum for our pre-vacuums is because you can kind of see how much dirt loads in the carpet. If we're picking up a lot of dirt, we may sometimes even go get one of our sanitars to do a more of a deep clean on the carpets. But if we're not picking up all that much dirt, then we know it's pretty safe just to go ahead and start cleaning the carpets. Because if we just use a sanitar up here, you can't really tell 100% how much dirt you're picking up without taking the bag off and looking inside. And this is just a little bit easier. Plus it has the wand on it so we can do the edge clean. Sanitars are great vacuums, but they don't clean edges really well. So this is something we'll have to have something to clean edges with anyway. So this way we can just bring one vacuum instead of having to bring two vacuums. It doesn't look like this carpet's all that dirty. We're not picking up too much stuff so far. But you want to double check. Because once you get the carpets, once you pre-spray down the carpets to get them wet, any loose soil you didn't remove with a vacuum, it's going to turn into mud. And that's a lot harder to get out of the carpet once it's wet. So you always want to do a pre-vacuum. It takes a little time, but it makes the carpets easier to clean. Alright, he's just about finished. We have to do all the edges with the wand, and we got 2 more rooms to vacuum plus the hallway. We're not going to video that. But this should give you the basic idea of the pattern we use to vacuum with. Now you can go slower if you want, and you can take more time with it if you want to, that's fine. It's actually better to go slower. We just don't have time to do this because this was a last minute rush job. We didn't know this was coming up today. So we're trying to get it done because we've already had a bunch of stuff we've done today.
If you don't have time to go slower, make more passes. You
yeah.
know, there's 2 ways to do it. You can either go real slow and make 1 pass, or you can go a little quicker and make 2 passes, and that's the method we use. But seeing as carpet cleaners don't generally vacuum at all, we're doing okay.
Yeah, unfortunately they don't.
They don't.
But we're going to finish our vacuuming, and then we're going to come back, probably make a separate video. We're going to show the rub doctor doing an extraction. So stay tuned. Or actually, if we don't come back, that's the end of this video, then we'll have another video coming up showing the rest.
I'm going to go and get the rest of this.
Thanks for watching this part.